it's fruit for thought for the month of November. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And that's Bandit right there. He's a Mr. Naughty Pie today, aren't you? And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So, what is that? So, Fruit for Thought is a monthly, I don't know, it's kind of unique because there's just all kinds of different little things in here. This is our last one. I did cancel, not because it's not great, just because we're looking to save some money in the new year. So we did cancel this for now. The theme is Blackberry Mint. So December's theme is Cranberry Pomegranate, and she is now doing 3-month subscriptions again. So if you are interested, I don't have a code or anything, go ahead and check out Pam. She's great with customer service. Not much of a sneak peek, but there you go. Chloe, what's the first thing in there?
Plum Deluxe Blackberry Mojito Black Tea.
All right, this is by Nate's Nectars, and it's a natural and clean. Nope, wrong thing. Sorry. It's by Plum Deluxe. Yep. It's a sweet blackberry spearmint, bright lime, hint of maple, seizing the day.
Yeah, it has black tea, spearmint, blackberries, hazelnut pieces, blackberry leaves, lime essence, maple extract.
Okay. All right, what's next?
All right. We got the little berries gummies. Oh, damn it.
All right, these are red and black gummy berries, a gummy delight from the Penny Candy Store, crafted in the U.S. and packaged in recycled materials, and they have a 12 to 24 month shelf life. I'm going to guess the black are maybe blackberry because
yeah, they are.
Usually they're anise, but I do like the red ones. Maybe I like the black ones.
We can try them. Oh, there's,
The red almost has like a little bit of a mint taste. Oh, that's what they look like.
Blackberry creamed honey.
Ooh. You want to show it to them?
What's that?
Mailman.
Change my mind. I like the red ones better, but yeah.
Okay, and that was by Nate's Nectars. It's a blackberry creamed honey, a natural and clean spread perfect for all your snacking needs. It's a raw honey combined with 100% natural blackberry powder to create a delightful burst of fruity flavor in every spoonful. It'll probably be really good in that tea.
Ooh, peppermint.
That is a shower steamer.
Oh.
It's the Salis Peppermint Shower Balm.
Ooh, that'll be good for headaches.
Yeah. Did you show them?
Moisturizer.
Oh,
yeah. This.
Okay.
And then this is Bella made in Italy Via Mercado Shimmer Moisturizer, black currant and orange blossom.
Yeah. It's a gorgeous fragrance and color combination. Vegetable glycerin is a natural humectant full of emollient properties. It absorbs and locks in oxygen, offering anti-aging benefits. And did you show them the tea, by the way?
The tea,
Did you show that to them?
I think so, but I'll show it again. This is the tea from earlier.
All right.
Anything else? Is that it?
So usually there's only 5 things.
Oh.
And that is our Fruit for Thought box for the month of November. So let us know your thoughts. And sorry we're getting it out late too. It's been a hectic month, I would say. But please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon.